Kazi Uzma Nadeem. I have completed my O-levels and A-levels from Rosedale International School. And after completing my A-levels, I have made up my mind to study in abroad. And since then, I have started searching universities and their requirements. And IELTS was one of the essential requirements. So I started looking for some good coaching centers here in Khulna, and as one of my closest friend recommended me a Lexicon, so without a hesitation I came here straight away. I enrolled at Lexicon in IELTS top tier course and had a very short span of time to prepare myself, and I used to come here at morning at 10 a.m. and go home at 7, and it's quite hard because you need to attend the classes and the mocks together. The journey in Lexicon was wonderful, and not to mention our tremendous mentor, Shajib sir. He is very helpful as well as a great soul, and from the beginning till end he was with us, encouraging us, pointing our mistakes and fixing our problems. Coming to the classes of Lexicon, it's great. The classes are quite helpful, and the tips and tricks that our teacher taught us actually helped us to develop our skill in every module in IELTS. And the classes are also very entertaining, and I must say that Lexicon also not only has good classes, but it also has a room for activities and entertainment. We can have debate sessions here as well as cue card sessions, which were great to take part in. And coming on to the most important parts, that are gala test and mock test, I think that they are the most beneficial tests in Lexicon because they are actually creating the real environment as they follow the actual format of the test, and this helps to mold students to withstand the actual exam pressure. And this way they can prepare students in the best way. Sir also arranged a lot of workshops and master classes for us. The class was really helpful. We got to know a lot of new things and learned a lot of new tricks which we can actually apply in our exam, and those actually helped us a lot in our exam. And the environment of Lexicon is really good, friendly and cooperative. Every member who are incorporated with Lexicon are very helpful. And besides this, looking at the statistics of the results in Lexicon and the wonderful popularity of this institution, I would recommend every person to come here and pay a visit and take a class and see. This is going to be helpful for everyone, so I recommend Lexicon.